Is DoorDashing during Valentine's Day even worth it?
This is so awkward. I really want you to leave, but I don't know how to say it without sounding like a dick.
Oh.
I don't know. I'm about to find out. I'm out here. It's 11:30 right now. I'm logged on already. I got my first order already. I didn't have to decline or anything. It popped up as $20 and 10 miles, y'all. That's awesome for the first order. I don't know what's going on. It said one item, but when I clicked on it, it said they spending $140. That's tight. It's from this barbecue pit spot. I'm here already. I'm about to go in here, see what's up, y'all, man. Get straight to this first hour. Let's get it, man. Valentine's Day, man.
Big ass order. Big ass little box. I can't even fit it in my bag. About to go drop it off, see what it really is.
Drop that off, man.
It's $33 instead of $20 on top of the little $6 cash tip, man. That's what's up, y'all. That's great for the first order. I'm about to head back to the sweet spot, see what Valentine's Day is talking about. Let's get it. All right, so second order. I grabbed me a little stacked order real quick.
Yup, grab both orders. No wait time, just like I thought.
Yeah, so that first hour was great.
Thug life.
$49 plus the $6 cash tip, man. That was a great first hour, man. $55 in the first hour. That's awesome. Then, before I got back to my sweet spot, they sent me an order for $11.25 from Olga's Kitchen for 4.3 miles, and I was a mile away. So I figured I'd knock that out real quick. And then they added on an order for $8.50 for an extra 5 miles. I figure I'll pick that up too, because the store is right here. So I'll just pick that up, knock these two out, man, and I still have some room within my second hour to do at least one more order.
2 little small orders. No wait time, man. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get it.
End of the second hour, y'all. I'm at $69. That's what's up. It's really slowed down. I know it slowed down because I didn't get orders on my way back to the sweet spot. It's about 5 miles away. That's how I know it's slow. And when I finally sat in the sweet spot, they showed me this order for $14.75 from B-Dub. 10 miles. It's a $3 peak pay right now. So really, this is a terrible order, y'all. But since it's so slow, I'm going to stay busy. I'm going to grab this order. Valentine's Day money. Let's get it. All right, we 5 hours in. I'm at 127, and I just picked up this $25 order for 9 miles for Red Lobster real quick. So how's the Valentine's Day going? It's going all right. I had some slow hours. It was like a regular Monday. Honestly, it was like a regular slow Monday. It might have been a little slower than usual, actually. I don't know, but I'm at 127 in 5 hours, really less than 5 hours because it's 4:23. So I still got 7 minutes. About to go in here to Red Lobster real quick, see if they got my order ready. I highly doubt it because Red Lobster usually takes a little minute, man. It's only a 5-item order. They only spent $90 on this order, so $25. It might be a little hidden tip in there, but I wouldn't see why when they only spent $90. They showed me a nice amount for this order. So yeah, I'm about to go grab it. Happy Valentine's Day, man. I want to know how y'all Valentine's Day went too. So make sure you share with me and with the world in the comments how y'all Valentine's Day went. If y'all even dashed on Valentine's Day. If you didn't dash on Valentine's Day, I want to know that too, man. Leave it in the comments. Let's get it. Forward to the end of my Valentine's Day dash, I hit 258 in 9.5 hours. It is 8:30 right now. 242 in the app and a $16 cash tip altogether. I had one order that was $6 and another one, the lady handed me $10 all ones. And it didn't even look like she was gonna give it to me at first. But after I handed her the pizza, she just reached in her pocket real quick and pulled it out. I thought it was more than $10 the way it was rolled up like that. But anyway, it was only $10, so that was great, y'all. 258 in 9.5 hours. That's pretty good. I'd say that's what? After gas, that's about $25 an hour. So that's not bad. It's not bad for a 9.5 hour shift. It's pretty good for a Monday, because Monday is usually a slow day. So when I say Valentine's Day kind of made the Monday better, I would say yes. The things I avoided today, I avoided crumble, you know. And it's the places that I always avoid. I definitely avoided Crumble. They was packed. They probably still slapping right now. I knew it was gonna be hella wait time at Crumble. So places like Crumble, Dairy Queen, I don't know, man. All them kind of places today I would just kind of stay away from. The Cheesecake Factory was actually pretty good today. I made a couple dollars off them today. 17 deliveries, that's about $15 per delivery. So that's tight right there. That's pretty good. Check out these orders, y'all. Look, so $18, $20 stacked order, $29 stacked order, $27 stacked order, $25 order from Red Lobster, $22 stacked order. Man, these orders was coming like crazy, especially when dinner time hit. I was real glad about that. So all in all, I think Valentine's Day was a good dash, man. I've been out here dashing. All y'all love birds probably ain't even go out and dash. That's probably why I had a good day, because hella love birds. You know your girl don't want you to dash on Valentine's Day. You know that. But Valentine's Day versus Super Bowl Sunday, I would definitely say Super Bowl Sunday gets the win for sure. Check out my Super Bowl Sunday video, man, to see how that went. It was way better than Valentine's Day, I would have to say. I would definitely have to say it's worth it. I've seen a couple of people already dropping videos about their Super Bowl Sunday and how it was terrible. Well, they should watch my channel, man. They should definitely watch my channel and get some of these tips, man, because I'm just trying to help everybody, man. They can get some help too. But yeah, man, I hope everybody had a good Super Bowl and everybody had a good Valentine's Day. Well, that's about all for this video. I'm about to head to the crib. About to go catch some Z's, man. Probably wake up a little early tomorrow. I've been trying to get on this morning shift, but I keep waking up late. Keep waking up late. Every day I've been seeing peak pay. Oh yeah, we done had peak pay all day today on Valentine's Day. So that was awesome. I'm talking about $3 peak pay all day, except for like from 2 to 5, it was $1.50. But the rest of the day, it was $3 peak pay all day long. As soon as I started dashing, from 11 to 2, it was $3. And from 5 to 9, it was $3. So that helped a lot for sure. Thank y'all for watching to the end. If you watch to the end, put decline till I die in the comment. All right, y'all, peace out, man. To the next video coming soon.